is equivalent to 6.25 kg of fodder. Now let us ask ourselves, is it a gain? Is it economical? Is it really viable? Is it really helping in any way? Hello friends, welcome in today's episode. And now what we are done with the project, but what is remaining now is for the post project analysis. Now a question I received: how do I calculate the days the fodder has taken? Now for me it is very simple. I don't even have to do the calculation. What I should have is only 7 trays, and you can see, what I am having right now is 7 trays. Like we have this one, number 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right now what I will do, I will harvest, like I'm going to harvest this one. Now this one I will harvest this one, and then I will plant. So I will plant on this tray here after doing the harvesting. So calculating which day the fodder is not an issue. I said that what I will plant today is at day 0. So what I planted yesterday is at day 1. So this is day 1 fodder, this is day 2 fodder, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and day 7 is this one over here. So, and as you can see, this is day 6 fodder, so we will harvest it tomorrow. So I don't have to watering today, so I will do watering for day 5, day 4, day 3, day 2 and 1, and also the one that I will plant today I must do watering for all this. So the reason as to why I won't water this day 6 fodder is because we will harvest it tomorrow, and we want it to be to have no water residue or whatever. I know due to today's post project analysis, this one, as you can see, is very dry. So very dry, has no water. You can see how it look like. So we need it, we want it to be like that because we have to do some measurements for the analysis and so forth. Post project analysis for what we have been doing here. As you can remember, we measured the seed to fit in our tray here to be 190 grams, and by now we just want to know what the amount of fodder we are having here. Now let's see how we can do this kind of measurement to take the reading. So that's why I'm using all this, but I have to do what we call to tear. So all the measurements of all these, even the empty tray, has been removed. So what I will do is that I just want to add the fodder, so with its tray. So I will just add the fodder here. So that is our fodder, and as you can see, this is so it's almost 1 kg and 190 or 188 grams, as you can see. as you can see. So therefore we used 190 grams of seed, and this 190 gram of seed has given us 1.188 kg of fodder. Now it is a good idea that we ask ourselves how many, if we had 1 kg of seed, what could that translate in terms of fodder? So 1 kg, what about 1,000 grams of seed will give us what? So what shall we have at the end? So you just cross multiply, and then we will have 1,000 grams all over 190 grams multiplied by 1.188 kg fodder. So what are we getting? So use your calculator. So that is 1,000 divided by 190 multiply that by 1.188. We are getting 6.25 kg fodder. So you see 1 kg of seed is equivalent to 6.25 kg of fodder. Now let us ask ourselves, is it a gain? Is it economical? Is it really viable? Is it really helping in any way? So let's do some mathematics on the cost of seed. The cost of 1 kg of seed is just 75 Kenya shillings. Now if we were to buy water and buy jig and so forth, the cost of producing 6.25 kg of fodder using this 1 kg of seed will be equivalent to, let's say, 100, or if it will be on a higher scale, we can probably say that it is 100 and let's say 20 Kenya shillings. And if it was to be this one, then we can ask ourselves, so what is the cost of producing 1 kg of fodder? So this one will be 120 Kenya shillings divided by 6.25 kg. So we just want to know how many cash that 1 kg can really be costing. So this one will be how much. So do your calculation. This is 120 divided by 6.25. So we are getting 19.2. This is Kenya shillings. Call it 20 Kenya shillings. So this is the cost of 1 kg of fodder is equal to 20 bob or 20 Kenya shillings. So what is this according to the current prices of, let's say, feeds, animal feeds. 1 kg of animal feeds right now translates to between 50 to 80 Kenya shillings, just 1 kg. So you can see 1 kg of the animal feed commercial, and you can see the 1 kg of fodder. So the fodder is cheaper than even the animal feeds that we get currently. So if you can be able to get the seed, it is much easier to do this fodder, and it is really viable, it is really cost effective, and you will save a lot if you can use this one to feed your livestock. This is just the way to go. Me, I see everything here is just good.